Border Patrol Chief Gregory Bovino due in federal court in Chicago tomorrow to talk about the use of tear gas during protests. And it happened again over the weekend up on the northwest side of the city. Roseanne Tellez live for us with the very latest. Roseanne.
Well, Anthony, Bovino will face a judge who has prohibited immigration officers from using tear gas unless there is an immediate threat against an agent. But tear gas, as you mentioned, was used again over the weekend on the northwest side, where residents say a typically Saturday morning turned to chaos. It was just before a Halloween parade was supposed to kick off in the Old Irving neighborhood on Kildare. Some families with kids, we're told, were making their way to festivities when they heard the sound of whistles as Border Patrol agents tackled a man to the ground. Within moments, neighbors poured into the street to protest what they were seeing.
I was pretty upset, to be honest with you. I am an attorney. I used to work with and in law enforcement, and watching this happen in my front yard was just not something that I ever thought was going to come to my front door. But, you know, here we are.
And that resident, Brian Culp, said that he collected canisters that were left behind by the agents and is handing them off to a law firm that is preparing a lawsuit against the government. The person who was taken, a couple of people were a 70-year-old neighbor, but also the man they were targeting, we're told, was an illegal immigrant who's had been in the country since he was a small child. Back to you now in the studio.
Roseanne, thank you.